waiting for the rider of appraisal to mount his entry. Ready now, and the race is on. Tito Aru from the outside. Tangs Dynasty. Spiker is running by the row. Two runners matching their strides. Tito Aru from the outside. Tangs Dynasty. And running by the row. Spiker rushing up. Duke of Windsor. Vermont Mr. Tatler. Don Ronaldo is running by the row. Appraisal third last. Monte Napoleone. And Sugar Daddy is the tail ender. Two runners keep on matching their stride. Tito Aru this time by half a length. Tangs Dynasty is running by the row. And closing now in third is Duke of Windsor. Don Ronaldo is running by the row. Vermont in between runners. Spiker as they swing for on Tangs Dynasty. Tito Aru. Duke of Windsor barreling down on the inside. And here comes Don Ronaldo. Tangs Dynasty, Tito Aru, Duke of Windsor. Don Ronaldo is running by the row. Tangs Dynasty, Tito Aru, Duke of Windsor. Tangs Dynasty and Tito Aru on the outside. And finally, Tangs Dynasty, Tito Aru, Duke of Windsor, Vermont, Don Ronaldo.